TEKMAND Game Controller. First, it has a full control experience. The two joysticks can be adjusted precisely with encoders. The right shortcut key supports customizing common function keys, which greatly improves the debugging efficiency, saving time and effort. It's convenient for light adjustment in daily use. Secondly, it has a convenient wireless control design. The middle can fix the phone as a display. It uses wireless Wi-Fi connection. Get rid of sight restrictions. Simple and convenient control method. TEKMAND Game Controller makes every lighting adjustment like playing a game. Stay tuned.